Make sure that you stay up to date with changing laws of your area. Some cities make new bylaws about short-term rentals, things like that. So make sure you stay up to date. You don't want to get in trouble with the law, and obey the law. It hurts everyone when hosts don't obey the law. So yeah, stay compliant with changing laws. Keep up to date with global events that can affect short-term rentals. I host in Japan, and lots of things happen here. Earthquakes, tsunami, volcanoes, typhoons, you name it, we have it. We got everything. Don't mean to brag. So yeah, it keeps you on your toes. I don't totally rely on this income because it's just too unreliable because of all these events. Pandemics, of course, can happen too, as we know. Yeah. It's a great side income. It's a great add-on. If you have a lot of savings, then I think you can have this as a great add-on, but I felt very sorry for people who were doing short-term rentals during the pandemic. Some of them said it was their only source of income. And I was like, oh my God, what were you thinking? It can seem like it can go on forever, but things happen. So yeah, you got to be flexible. The future, I think, is bright for short-term rentals. Airbnb has been booming. Not so much during the pandemic, but from where it started to now, there are many, many millions of homes and apartments listed. I don't know the exact number at this point, but it's huge, and I know the hotel industry is very nervous. So it's going to keep going, I think. And VRBO, I think, is doing well. So yeah, things are looking bright. And I think, if anything, things are going to get easier and easier. More and more people are going to be using software and getting good at software. And it's going to get easier for us too. Probably AI is going to help us at some point as well. There are already automatic messages you can use at Airbnb that are very helpful. But yeah, I think the future looks bright with technological advancements. Anything else? So thank you again for taking the course. Keep in touch. I'll give links to our Facebook groups, and I'm on YouTube at Burns Hustles. Please watch sometimes. Keep up to date. Keep reading. Keep educating yourself with industry changes. But yeah, keep studying and doing all that. So YouTube's a great resource. Facebook too. Twitter as well. Books as well. Remember those books? So yeah, keep in touch. And maybe join our Facebook group and watch us on YouTube. Thank you very much.